back again. Today we're doing a few different things, but including a shiplap wall. This isn't actual shiplap. This is actually just a 1x6, but we're giving it the shiplap look by just spacing them. And all I'm using to space them is just one of my squares, framing squares, small. And we're spacing it out. You can also just use 1/8" spacers if you don't have anything else to space it with. We have our lines where our studs are, so we're nailing it into the studs. What you do got to be careful of is if you're doing it on the back of a wall that has plumbing on it, is be mindful of where your plumbing's at. We're going to be taking this all the way to the ceiling, but today I'm not, because there's going to be a vanity, a mirror, and a light here. And she has purchased the vanity and the top, but she hasn't purchased the mirror yet. So we want to make sure that we put the light, the electrical coming out of the wall at the right height for the light, because we want there to be the right distance between them. So we're going to take it up so far today. There's also going to be some crown molding going in. You also, when doing a shiplap wall where you're spacing it like this, you want to make sure the back of the wall is a neutral color of sort of white or a light tan or something, because you will be able to see through it. Make sure there's no holes. The plumber, we had him move the plumbing into the wall, and he tore out the sheetrock, so we replaced the sheetrock right there. So we're going to move on up with it and show you how we do it. So. So when doing this, what you want to do is at the beginning is make sure your first one is level, and then as you move up, you can check it as you go, but it should remain level all the way up. We're perfectly between our bubble right there, and then we're just going to keep working our way up.